2026 Ferrari F80. The $3 million hypercar that looks like it's from 2050. Think Ferrari peaked with the LaFerrari? Think again. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is here. And it doesn't just break the rules, it rewrites the future of hypercars. With a jaw-dropping design, mind-bending speed, and a $3 million price tag, the F80 isn't just a car, it's rolling artwork armed with rocket science. But wait until you hear how fast it goes, and what Ferrari removed from it. Trust us, you've never seen or heard a Ferrari like this before. Welcome back, speed junkies and automotive dreamers. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Ferrari F80, the brand's most extreme creation yet. This isn't just a hypercar, it's a vision of the future wrapped in carbon fiber and unleashed on asphalt. Whether you're here for the power, the design, or just to dream, buckle up. This one's wild. From the moment you see it, the F80 doesn't whisper Ferrari, it screams it. Its ultra-low, jet fighter-inspired silhouette, sculpted air tunnels, and aggressive aero package make it look like it came from a racetrack on Mars. The narrow LED headlights, massive rear diffuser, and active aerodynamics make it functional artwork. Ferrari designed this car with one goal: maximum downforce, minimum drag. Oh, and those butterfly doors? Just the icing on the $3 million cake. Inside, things get even more futuristic. Think F1 cockpit meets luxury spaceship. Minimal weight, maximum driver focus, with Alcantara-line seats, a holographic-style display, and digital controls built into the steering wheel. No massive infotainment here. Ferrari wants your eyes on the road, not on screens. It's stripped down, track-ready, but still dripping in sophistication. Underneath the carbon skin is where the real magic lives. The F80 uses a hybrid twin-turbo V8 producing a mind-blowing 200+ horsepower. 0 to 60? Just 2.2 seconds. Top speed? Over 280 miles per hour. That's Bugatti territory, but with Ferrari emotion. Oh, and it's lighter than the LaFerrari thanks to a full carbon tub and the elimination of unnecessary weight. This thing doesn't just drive, it attacks the road. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't for everyone. It's for the few who demand the absolute peak of performance and design. Yes, it's $3 million. Yes, it's limited. But it might just be the best Ferrari ever built. Could you handle the F80's power? Or is it just a dream car? Like this video if you love extreme performance. Subscribe now for more hypercar insanity. We've got more beasts coming soon.